Hey everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make these kissing lips. So you'll need the colour side up to begin with. I'll begin by folding my paper in half on the diagonal. I'll take the right side and fold this over to about a third. Then I'll take the left side and fold this over the top. Using that lower corner, I'll fold this upwards, and then I will repeat the same on the other flap as well. Now using the upper corner, I'll fold this downwards. I'll repeat this on the left side. Using these flaps, I'll fold these in half like so. And the last step here is to just fold the tips downwards. These are all the pre-creases required for the kissing lips. So in the next step, I'll show you how it all comes together. This is completely optional here. I'm just turning it over to flatten everything out, make sure it's really sharp and really strong. And now I will unfold all the creases that I've done. That tip seems to like sitting there. Here we go. So now I'll grab the tips, I'll fold these over. The next step is a really clever maneuver. These are called rabbit ears. The idea is to gently push the sides of these edges together, although here I will gently refold those creases once more, and you push those two edges together, which then forms that rabbit ear as such. So I'll spin the paper around and repeat this step here as well. And then you kind of pinch that little tip together at the end, which forms the rabbit ear. Perfect. Over on the other side, I'll bring one of the two sections over like this, and I'll lay the paper so that it sticks out, so it's not completely flat. Then I'll rotate this around so that I can fold my paper in half, allowing the lips to open up completely. Where the lips are sticking out, you want to fold the paper so that the edge meets where the lips are, if that makes sense. So you'll have a bit of the red or whatever colour you've got sticking out. We want to cover that up with the other side, so I'll fold the other corner over like this, and then I'll double this over once more with this edge here. So I'll do these steps again here. I did an oopsie with a little fold there, but I adjusted that, and then I fold this over, bring the edge over again, and this completes the kissing lips. Mwah! So yeah, grabbing the little tabs on the sides, and you just gently push and pull, and you bring the kissing lips to life, which is pretty cool. Happy folding and thanks for watching. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.